Hey guys, what's up? Do you know how to check the battery status of your laptop? Okay, I'm going to show you how. So let's check this out. At first open Run, then type CMD and press Enter. From Command Prompt screen, type this text showing in this video and press Enter. A file will generate in the mentioned directory. So let's find the file for battery report from directory. So here is the file. Now open it by double-clicking. Here you will able to see the total battery health report of your laptop. And as you can see that the battery health is showing 74% of the laptop that I am using right now. If you scroll down, you will see a lot of data related to this battery health. Okay, that's all for now. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get all the latest update. See you on next. Goodbye.